What is f of 0? All zeros only 1. Greater than 0. F of 1 you calculate. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So equal to 1 greater than 0. Minus 1 you calculate. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
Minus 1.
X equal to minus 1 you take. X power 8, 1. Minus of minus 1 power 8 plus 1 only. X square 1. Minus of minus of all ones equal to 5. Also there. Therefore, with respect to 0 and 1, x greater than 2, x1 positive. Okay. x1 positive, x2, x above 0 positive. X greater than 1 you take. 2 take, for example. That is, tell me, with respect to 2. Minus 1, okay. Minus 2 you take, for example, x of f of 2. That is, what is 2 power 8? 256 minus 32 plus 4 minus 2 plus 1, always positive. No use. So what is the rule actually? Discard this rule one given. For example, f of a positive, f of b negative. If you have opposite sign, x belongs to a. See here, f of 0 positive, 1 is positive. You take minus 1, you take f of 1. What is my f of minus 1? Positive. F of minus 2, you take 256 plus 32 plus 4, all positive. So all are positive given. What answer given? What is asking? Always positive.
It's ABCD, sir, answer.
Answer all this was given, sir.
I am saying that only because greater than 0 satisfies 0. Am I right? 1 also satisfies greater than 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1, minus 2, all satisfies. Therefore, for every x belongs to R, it is true. So all actions correct.
So 47, sir.
Saturday exam, same model covered. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Same.
Sir, but you was unable to solve that one, sir. Before also saying that model question has given in the exam, but you were unable to solve that, sir.
Tell me once again.
So 47th question, sir. Even the question was repeated in the mains, but you said the process of doing that, it was not getting the answer.
Answer is very simple. A greater than B greater than C. So first option, second option. Am I right?
Sir, even
third option also. Fourth option also. First to second to fourth. Model question that is. What I gave hint. Whenever solves given so that difference between them is same. Therefore, difference between smaller number is greater than difference between higher numbers. Am I right or wrong? I gave that hint.
yes, sir.
Here, with respect to A, root 5 minus root 4. B, root 7 minus root 6. C, root minus root 12. Next, root 5. Root 5 2 can be written as root 4. 2 can be written as root 4. Am I right?
Yes.
Finished.
Now start.
Tell me.
Now it starts with today's syllabus.
Okay, just wait. After completing doubts. If I start immediately, sir, doubts are you are raising.
Sir,
You are always in up.
Sir,
Now see that. Okay. See that he is asking doubt.
45th one.
Okay, 45th. Weaver method, that is 2x minus 1. Previous side question, that is by taking x common, 2x square plus 3x. Plus 1. Given positive. So what are the factors? 2x minus 1 by x into. Tell me factors. Tell me factors. 2x square, 3x plus 1 can be written as 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. 2x common. X plus 1. 1 common. X plus 1. What are the factors?
2x plus 1 or x plus 1?
That is x plus 1. By taking x plus 1 common, one factor is 2x plus 1, second is x plus 1. First of all, expression defined x not equal to 0, x not equal to minus 1 by 2. And x not equal to minus 1. Therefore, this is greater than 0. Tell me critical points. First, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Am I right? Ascending order.
Yes, sir.
At most right, positive. Because all powers are positive, 0. Where it is positive? This one, this one, this one. Therefore, tell me, minus infinity to minus 1. Union. Minus 1 by 2 to 0. Union.
Positives and negatives.
1 by 2 to infinity.
Infinity. This is for positive. Similarly, write down negative. Because this is already asked in IIT final. Negative and second question. Greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0.
Sir,
Complete.
D can be also answered, no, sir.
Tell me.
D can be also answered, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Option D also would come, no, sir. 4 to infinite.
Okay. 1 to infinite includes 4 to infinite also. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now try to solve. Greater than 0, less than 0. Greater than 0 over. Next questions write down. Greater than or equal to 0. Next, less than or equal to 0. Do that.
Number disturbance or remote of section.
Completed. Okay. Now start all of you. Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we explain question number 51? Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Hello. That is a reminder theorem.
Sir, I could not solve
Okay,
that.
okay, just do that.
Sir, I got
And-
different answers,
wait.
sir.
Okay, just wait. An unknown polynomial is remainder 2 when divided by x minus 1. Suppose polynomial is p of x. Reminder, what are the divisor? First divisor x minus 1. Second divisor x minus 2. Quotient is q of x. Here, divisor is quadratic, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the nature of remainder? Linear. Therefore, this function. Question is, least remainder 1, first of all, least remainder 2 when x equal 1. When x equal 1, remainder 2, that is called a plus b. Next, when x equal to 2, remainder is 1. This is 2a plus b. Once again, p of x with a polynomial. When divided by product x minus 1 into x minus 2. And q of x with a quotient. Since the divisor is second degree, remainder must be first degree. I think up to that all of you are familiar. Given when x equal 1 and divided by x minus 1. What is the remainder given? 2. So by taking x equal 1, this factor totally 0. So we have a plus b. Similarly, divided by x minus 2, x equal to remainder 1, that is 2a plus b. Okay. Solve the values. What are the values? Tell me. By subtraction we get minus 1 equal to a. So a equal to minus 1. B equal to 3. Am I right? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
remainder is minus x plus 3. He is asking minus 1. That is called the 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, sir. అదే సార్ చూడండి మధ్యలో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది ఏం చూస్తున్నారు సార్ మీరు
సార్ మొత్తం అంతా మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు సార్ ఇక్కడ
అలాగా స్వామి మీరు చూడాలి అలర్ట్ గా సౌండ్ వస్తే ఇమీడియట్లీ తీసేయాలి
చేస్తున్నాను
అసలు
తీసేస్తున్నా సార్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చాలా
అసలు వచ్చిందంటే మీరు ఆలోచిస్తుంది వాడు పాత వాడైనా సరే తీసిపారండి ముందు అలర్ట్ పనిష్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది
ఓకే ఓకే
అలాగే నేను మధు శాతం మాట్లాడాను అసలు కాంప్రమైజ్ అవ్వకాలి అక్కడ ఓకే shall I start subject?
ఓకే సార్
Student, shall I start subject?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
is the solution 3?
Hello, what is the reason? R of minus 5 given. What is the remainder? Minus x plus 3. x3 plus 3 minus 5. 5 plus 3, 8
No,
finish.
sir, 53rd question.
Hello, you are conducting exam to me.
Sir, I could not understand that last one, sir. If polynomial is divided by x plus 1 in bracket x minus 2, that from that.
The 53 actually Weaver method. Hello, 53 Weaver method. Who is asking that question?
Sir,
He is asking 52.
Sir, question number 48.
50.
Say, explain this one question, sir. which I wrote on board.
Which one you want?
Sir, this same question from the third step, sir. I got late
Hello.
due to the network issue.
First of all, I think you are not reading the data. Second point, you don't know remainder theorem. What is the remainder theorem? Let fx be the polynomial when divided by x minus a. Remainder is f of a. Here p of x is a polynomial. What is the division algorithm? That can be expressed as divisor into quotient plus remainder. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
division algorithm? Polynomial phi of x. When divided by divisors, what are the divisors? Product x minus 1 into x minus 2. When divided noted, we obtain quotient. Okay, remainder r. Here, divisor is second degree. So, remainder must be first degree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next, what is given? When divided by x minus 1 means put x equal to 1. What is the remainder given? What is the remainder formula? F of a, am I right? So x replaced by 1, that value is given 2. When x is equal to 1, this value 0. Put x equal to 1, this value 0, am I right? Here
Yes,
we
sir.
have x minus 1. So
2 is
here
equal
x
to a
equal to
plus
1,
b.
we get a plus b. Similarly, divided by x minus 2, put x equal to, what is remainder? 1. Put x equal to
2a plus b.
2a plus b. Solving, we get a equal to minus 1, b equal to 3. What is the remainder? Ax means minus x plus 3. But it is asking r of minus 5. So x replaced by minus 5. Minus of minus 5 plus 5. Plus 3. Total 8. Okay. Respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I start subject? Any more doubt?
Sir, last one question, sir.
Tell me.
52.
X equal to cube root of 7 plus 5 root 2 minus 1 by cube root of 7 plus 5 root 2. Then the value x cube minus 3x minus 14. First of all, second factor rationalize. Just I want to write this as x equal to, first one is cube root of 5 root 2 plus 7. Second, by rationalizing, we get cube root of 5 root 2 minus 7. Am I right? Because irrational is greater than rational. 5 root 2 is greater than 7. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What is the root? That's why. By rationalizing, we get second one, denominator value, that is 5 root 2 minus 7. This is this one. Now cubing on both sides. This is equation 1. What is a minus b whole cube formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab. What is product value? 1. A plus a minus b, x. Do you know formula? A minus b whole cube formula, tell me. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here, what is a minus b value? X directly substitute. Therefore, x cube here minus 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 cancel. This 14 minus 3x. After this calendar, x cube plus 3x minus 14. Personally, I think 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Fifty-three question.
Same Weaver method.
But answer is given, sir. 3, but answer is came.
Answer correct ఇచ్చాడు నువ్వు కరెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నావు ఫస్ట్ గా క్రిటికల్ పాయింట్ చెప్పు వాట్ ద క్రిటికల్ పాయింట్ ఫస్ట్ 0 నెక్స్ట్ లిస్ట్ 4/3 am I right next 2 sir 7/2 sir 2 only after 2 7/2 next 5 correct order second point x not equal to 5 x not equal to 7/2 okay no response
Yes, sir.
what is the highest factor critical point 5 if x greater than 5 totally positive 5 has odd power therefore positive to negative 7/2 even power no change of sign 2 also even power 4/3 4/3 odd power 0 has even power I think this is the way we curve okay
So can you explain once more?
first of all critical points 0 4/3 2 7/2 5 okay what is the highest critical point 5
Five.
అది కూడా రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు ఏది గ్రేటర్ కూడా
5, sir.
5 so if x greater than 5 all factors positive am I right
Yes, sir.
that's why graph starts from highest so x power 5 has odd power so positive to negative 7/2 even power am I right are we approaching from negative continuous 2 also has even power again negative continuous 4/3 odd power negative to positive 0 has even power so greater means this one and this one so less than he is asking tell me less than intervals less than intervals this one now 4/3 to 2 he is asking number of positive integral values 4/3 to 2 no integer am I right
Yes, sir.
2 to 7/2 3 is there
Yes, sir.
7/2 to 5
4,
4 is there so how many positive integers we have
2.
2 only
But answer is given 3, sir.
if it is less than or equal to only 2 name 2 correct
Okay, sir.
2 correct confirm
Sir,
0 to 2 only
question.
one thing remember in any paper generally this type of corrections we have that will be rectified after 2 days after completing exam they will send error correction then that marks will be added
Okay, sir.
Sir, means what is the answer of this then? What are the number of zeros?
2 only. First number of integral solution number of positive integral solutions because
Sir,
4/3 to listen 4/3 to 2 no integer 2 to 7/2 3 is there 7/2 to 5 4 is there finished
Sir, what we have to do in question number 48?
ఇందాక ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. వీడు నిద్రపోతున్నాడు వీడు. జస్ట్ యూ టేక్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, ఆల్ హయ్యర్ పవర్స్ క్యాన్సిల్, వి గెట్ ఎక్స్. సెకండ్ మెథడ్, అప్లయింగ్ కాంపోనెంట్ డివిడెండ్. am I right or wrong? am I explained or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Either you take straight way cross multiplication, AD minus BC, all higher terms cancel, we get x directly. You can do that in my presence. All of you. Do
Sir,
that.
can you explain 58th question?
First complete this, after that only. Just you simply are asking, not doing. First you have to complete.
Sir, please tell question number once.
Hello. Question number 48. Question number 48.
Sir,
Tell me. What is the value of x?
Sir, sir.
48. Just to take cross multiplication, answer that.
sir, class we can start.
All of you, okay. Tell me this answer, 48. Which value satisfies x? X, which value satisfies? Any more in this paper?
No, sir.
Shall I start subject?
Yes,
Sir?
sir.
Sir, can you explain 58th question, sir?
50th.
Yes.
First of all, x equal to root of 3 minus root 5. Inside you take x equal to 3 minus root 5. Multiply and divided by 2. We get 6 minus 2 root 5 by 2. Numerator nothing but root 5 minus 1 by root 2. Am I right? Similarly, y root 5 plus 1 by root 2. Given equation can be written as, because x we know, y we know. Just observe that expression x minus y, okay. So difference y. Next two, remaining terms, 2xy common. If 2xy common, remaining is x plus y, am I right? No response. Next two, minus xy common, remaining x cube minus y cube. So from this, what is x minus 5? This is only root 5 minus square root is only 2. What is x minus 5 minus root 2? Am I right? What is x plus 5? Root 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What is xy? X value, just listen. Root of 3 minus root 5. What is y? 3 plus root 5. Three plus root 5. What is xy? A plus b into a minus b. Root of 9 minus 5. I think 2 only. Am I right? Substitute. Similarly, x cube minus y cube. How to write? X minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. X plus y whole square minus xy. Am I right? All values we know. Not responding students. Do you want to explain once again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. First of all, given expression can be written like this. Accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Here,
what is number this?
question number 50, I think. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
50 expression can be written. X given root of 3 plus 3 minus root 5. Multiply and divided by 2, we get 6 minus 2 root 5 by 2 inside. Numerator, root 5 minus 1 whole square, root 5 minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, y conjugate, root 5 plus 1 by root 2. So what is x minus 5? We can just a subtraction. Tell me, minus root 2. See that? X minus 5 minus root 2. Am I right? What is x plus 5? Root 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute here, x cube minus y cube. How to write? X minus y into x plus a whole square minus xy. What is a cube minus b cube formula? What is a cube minus b cube formula?
A minus b into
Minus b
Yeah.
into
Just
a square minus b
A,
then
a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab.
ab.
That can also be written as a plus b whole square minus ab. Am I right?
yes, sir.
I wrote that only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
In this, we know that only two different factors, x minus y, x plus y, xy. What is x minus y? Minus root 2. X plus y, root 5. xy, 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Substitute, finish. Okay,
Sir,
tell me.
sir, how would directly value of x came, sir, from root 6 minus 2 root 5 by 2 to
Square root of
root
this
5
side.
minus 1 by root 2.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Square root of the side. Okay, you want that only. Shall I rub this entire?
Yes, sir.
See that x equal to 3 minus root 5. So inside here, multiply and divided by 2. Any objection?
No, sir.
Denominator same. 2. Multiply them 2 into 3. 6 minus 2 root 5. That can be written as 6 minus 2 root 5. First of all, this can be written as 2 into root 5 into root 1. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. Am I right? Totally root 5 minus 1 whole square. What is the square root? 6 minus 2 root 5. Square root cancel. Root 5 minus 1. By root 2 same. Therefore numerator root 5 minus 1 whole square by 2. Numerator root 5 minus 1 by root 2. Finish. So this is the
Understood, sir.
procedure. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shall we start? Polynomials?
Yes, sir.
Especially newcomers. Right? Remaining, just listen. For those, I will send you one more quadratic with examples today. Don't worry. Solid examples especially. Okay. After completing class, I will send. Just listen.
When will you, sir, send?
After afternoon. Afternoon, I will send. After completing classes.
Okay, sir.
Just listen.
This is for newcomers, sir.
All. Especially for newcomers. For sake
Old
of
students.
understanding. Old
Sir,
students
old
also. All students. Class work notes only. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please maintain silence because time is very less. We have to cover these points to save that time. Polynomial meaning. What is meant by polynomial? Other name of polynomial is please maintain silence. Old student keep quiet. If you have 3 times, better to complete that paper, each and every question answer. In parallel with listening the lesson. In parallel with listening the lesson, try to answer this advanced paper. Okay. Listen. Polynomial, other name is rational integral function. What is meant by rational integral function? A function which is said to be rational integral implies coefficients are rational, powers are integers, positive integers. Therefore, remember all of you, polynomial other name is rational integral function.
Powers
What
are,
does
sir,
that mean?
whole numbers.
Powers are whole numbers. Okay. Whole numbers. Powers are positive integers including 0 called whole numbers. You are right. Therefore, polynomial other name rational integral function. Newcomers write down. Newcomers. Polynomial function is also called rational integral function. Polynomial function is also called rational integral function. Rational integral function. Okay. Just listen. What is meant by rational integral? An expression whose coefficients are rational numbers and powers are whole numbers are positive integers including 0. First point. Polynomials, what are the types? Degree is 1 called monomial or linear. Please listen. Degree is 1 called linear. Degree 2 quadratic. Degree 3, cubic. Degree 4, biquadratic.
Sir, convert.
Tell me, do you want to write? Write down. Types of the polynomials. First linear. More than remaining all multinomial or polynomial. Up to 4 biquadratic. Remaining all polynomial. Simple. Up to 4 we have specific names. Write down. Types of the polynomial. Types of the polynomial. Types of the polynomial. First one, linear. If the polynomial has a degree 1, if the degree of the polynomial is 1, if the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear. Degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear. Called linear. Okay, next. If the degree of the polynomial 2, linear, what is the example? Linear. Ax plus b, bx plus q, etc. Or 3x plus 2, or 2x minus 5, or 1 by 3x minus 1 by 5, like this. 1 by 3, next. Second one, polynomial with degree 2 is called. Polynomial with degree 2 is called. Tell me.
Quadratic.
Quadratic. Write down. Polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic. Example, quadratic. Tell me. Ax square
Plus bx plus c.
bx plus c.
2x square plus 3x plus 4.
Or 2x square plus 3x plus 1, etc. Next. Polynomial with degree 3 is called cubic. Polynomial with degree 3 called cubic. Polynomial with degree 3
Plus
bx square plus cx plus d.
plus d.
Example, x cube minus x square plus x plus 1, etc. Next, similarly, degree 4 is called biquadratic. Write down.
Sir, multinomial.
Next, polynomial with a degree 4 by next, polynomial of degree greater than 4, all are polynomials. Monomial ante single term.